During the holidays, having a large crock pot is a must. In this article, we'll be reviewing 5 of the best large crock pots available on the market and providing you with an in-depth buying guide to help you come to the right decision for your needs. Number 1. Crock Pot 8-quart oval manual slow cooker. The first large crock pot on our list, this 8-quart oval crock pot has thousands of positive reviews and can feed a group of up to 10+ people. For its size and capabilities, it's relatively affordable, even for those that may be on a budget. It's an oval crock pot, making it great for different types of dishes including soups, dips, roasts, and even whole chicken or turkey dishes. It's manually operated, meaning that it has a single dial that can be turned to off, or to the low, high, and warm settings. A breeze. Cool touch handles and interface protect hands from burns and allow you to safely transport your slow cooker. Programmable up to 20 hours with versatile low, high, keep warm settings, gives you ultimate control of meal preparation. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Portable Digital Programmable Slow Cooker.
The spacious 6-quart slow cooker can handle a 4-pound roast or a 6-pound chicken. You have 3 easy choices for cooking: program, probe, and manual. Operating is simple. Just add the ingredients, cover, set the time and temperature, and forget it until you're ready to eat. For heavier roasts, use the thermometer probe that displays the actual temperature of the meat as it cooks. Just set the probe to the desired meat temperature, and when that temperature is reached, it automatically switches to keep warm, so it'll be fresh, hot, and ready to eat when you are. The full grip handles make carrying heavy meals easy.